Hi, it's Lisa from Holts, and today we're going to show you a few things you can try if your car won't start on a cold morning. It's a cold morning, my car won't start, and I need to get on the road ASAP. So what do? Well, there are a number of things you can try.
First, we need to make sure the battery is working. So try switching off all of the electrical items inside the car. This means the lights, radio, and heater. Also, we're going to try dipping the clutch as we tried the ignition. No luck? Let's examine the battery itself. Here we're looking to see if the battery cables and terminals are corroded in any way. If corrosion is present, that could be your problem, and they'll need cleaning before trying again. If it's not the battery, the problem could lie with your engine oil. Give the dipstick a check. If your oil is at the right level, it should lie between the upper and lower marks. Check out our previous how-to guide if you're unsure how to do this.
So we've completed all our checks and everything seems okay. Now we're going to try Holts Bradex Easy Start to see if that solves the problem.
Bradex works by making the fuel and air mixture more combustible, helping your engine to fire more quickly. Locate your car's air intake around the engine area. If you have a petrol car, spray the product directly into your car's air intake, then attempt to start the engine by turning the key. If you have a diesel car, you'll need a friend to help you out. That's because you have to turn the key while Bradex is being sprayed into the air intake. That's all for this episode. Hit the like button and subscribe to our channel if you would like to see more.